So it's just a thrill and an honor to receive the Richard Lounsbery Award. So my heartfelt thanks to the jury for choosing me, and also to my anonymous nominator, whoever that was, thanks. And I'm especially grateful to Vera Lounsbery, who in Richard's name envisioned an award that had the explicit goal of fostering scientific exchange between America and France. As you just heard from Susan, I work on how bacteria communicate within and across species, so it's a special delight to receive an award that is about communicating science beyond my own species. So this award is absolutely wonderful for me personally. It's amazing for the young people, the members of my lab who made all of the discoveries for which I'm being honored, and for the whole microbiology field. So microbiologists work on a vital but invisible world, and the Lounsbery Award makes those invisible critters visible by highlighting their importance in nature and in medicine. So thank you for recognizing microbes and the scientists who are fascinated by them. And finally, I want to thank my husband, Todd Reichert, who's here. He's been in this adventure since the time when it was fringe science, and he's never wavered in being my biggest fan. So thanks.